Good evening. This is the New Dawn FM news in English, read to you by Dolores Talaksi. First, the headlines. South Bougainvilleans urged to comply with the state of emergency orders. South Bougainville COVID-19 Emergency Coordination Response Team starts 2 weeks district awareness program. Member for South Bougainville appeals to his people to obey instructions to avoid COVID-19. Senior Sergeant clarifies the state of emergency orders to the people of Bana district, and state of emergency controller doubts awareness has not been carried out in South Bougainville. Now the news in detail. Second Secretary for the Office of the Member for South Bougainville, Chris Nawa, has appealed to the people of South Bougainville to obey the state of emergency orders. Mr. Nawa raised his concern that people in South Bougainville are not following the SOE orders as people are still moving around freely. He said mothers are still selling at the roadside markets and people are overcrowding in and around the market areas. Mr. Nawa appeals to the mothers to stop overcrowding at one place but to sell at their own separate areas to control too much overcrowding of customers. He is concerned that people are not serious about the lockdown period and they are not observing the 25 standing SOE orders. Mr. Nawa said people should also stop looking for betel nut and smokes from other villages and constituencies. There should be no unnecessary movements of people from one place to another. As a responsible government, PNG and ABG declared the SOE for an important purpose, which is to protect all of us from coronavirus, and people must comply with the orders, he said. The South Bougainville COVID-19 Preparedness and Emergency Coordination Response Team has started its 14 days intensive district awareness program commencing on Tuesday in the Bana district. The district's visits are part of the team's preparedness and border surveillance activity plan to ensure that the population of South Bougainville is properly and adequately educated about the deadly coronavirus in preparation for its outbreak. The team was given a rousing reception when a crowd of about 1,000 people comprising of community government chairmen and village elders packed the Bana High School mess hall for the launch of the district awareness program and to listen, learn, and get information about the COVID-19. The team started its awareness visitation program in Bana on Tuesday, then moved to Siwai yesterday, and has traveled to Torokina today. Awareness team leader Launo Molomagata informed the people that the threat posed by the virus to human life was frightening, which the health system in PNG does not have the capacity to deal with it. Mr. Launo, who is also the Director of Rural Health Services, appealed to the people to learn and absorb as much information as possible in order to prepare themselves to counter the virus. He advised the people not to believe information circulated on social media which have not been authorized by the World Health Organization. He stressed that information being disseminated by the awareness team was officially authorized and approved by WHO for dissemination to the greater population globally. Minister for Information, Communication and Technology and member for South Bougainville, Timothy Massieu, has strongly appealed to his people to follow restrictions and proper hygiene practices being advocated by health workers in collaboration with the South Bougainville COVID-19 Preparedness and Emergency Response Coordinating Team. Mr. Massieu said that as their leader, he was concerned about the devastation that the virus could bring. That was why he ensured the DDA approved the 1.5 million kina support towards the awareness and border surveillance programs. He also reminded health workers of their duties to serve the people and not demand special allowances as incentive for extra duties, and appealed to them to perform their duties diligently to ensure people get the right information to protect themselves against the coronavirus. The minister, through his second secretary, also acknowledged and thanked the member for Baubaket, Jacob Toke, and Chris Kenna for their contributions towards the COVID-19 awareness campaign and urged the other South Bougainville members of the ABG House of Representatives to do likewise. He said the threat and devastation that could be caused by the coronavirus was threat to life and a collaborative approach was needed. Mr. Matthews said that he would continue to support the COVID-19 preparations and awareness programs even if it meant losing development projects for the sake of saving lives. You are listening to the New Dawn FM News. Local movement of people between constituencies have been restricted while travel outside of Bougainville to the neighboring provinces of East New Britain and New Ireland has been banned for the duration of Bougainville state of emergency. South Bougainville Police Chief Senior Sergeant Times briefed the people of Bana district of some of the standing orders during the launching of the COVID-19 awareness program at Bana High School on Tuesday. Sergeant Times announced that two Buin-based policemen were arrested at the weekend for breaching orders restricting traditional border crossing across the PNG Solomon Islands international border and crossing the border without proper authorization. He said there were processes to follow to obtain authorization to cross which the two policemen failed to follow, adding their arrest was to show that the orders applied to all Bougainville citizens and other citizens as well, and policemen or women were no exception. Mr. Times said the SOE orders also regulated the trading hours shops to 6 hours only from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m., advising that the SOE orders also prohibits any sudden increases in the prices of goods and services. Defaulters will be liable for a fine of up to 1,000 kina or imprisonment for 9 months, he said. He said the police service in South Bougainville and Bougainville as a whole was under strength and the SOE orders can only be successfully policed with the help of the people. He acknowledged and commended village police personnel for providing much-needed backup to regular policemen and women. Mr. Times advised the people to report to the police trade store owners and service providers who use the SOE to profit themselves. The State of Emergency Controller and Bougainville Police Service Commissioner, Francis Tokura, said he does not believe there were awareness taking place in South Bougainville. Mr. Tokura made this comment after two highway PMVs from CY and Bana were detained by Arawa Police Task Force at the Morgan Junction for overloading. The PMV drivers and the passengers were taken to the Arawa Police Station where they were lectured on the SOE orders by the Arawa Police Commander. Controller Tokura said if there were awareness and dissemination of information about the COVID-19 and SOE orders, the PMB would have limited the number of their passengers. He asked that the constituency members conducting the awareness at their respective electorates do more than what they are doing in informing their people about the SOE orders. This has been the New Dawn FM News in English. You can also see our news on www.bougainvillenews.com, www.bougainville.typed.com. You can also follow us on Facebook and Twitter. You can also listen to us on New Dawn FM YouTube page. On behalf of the news team, I'm Delores Talasi. You have a pleasant evening.